So now I'm going to show you how to create folders and how to organize your documents in folders. So to make a folder, you'll just go to the New drop down and then create new folder. And then you'll just want to add a name, and if you wanted to, you could add a description. And so now I've got this folder. And I can see my folders down here in the folders view. And you can see I'm on personal. And there are no documents here because there's no documents in this folder yet. So if I go back to all items, there's two ways I can add documents to folders. First off, I can go through and check all the ones I want to add, if I want to add multiple ones, and then go Move To, and then select the folder, and then hit Move to Folder. And then you can see when they're, whoops, accidentally opened that. When they're in a folder, they have this label right here, which is the folder, personal, right there. So the other way to add a document to a folder is I can just click and drag it over. And let me create another folder real fast just to demonstrate this. So for my purposes demonstrating this, I'm just going to say I have a folder for like work documents and then a folder for personal documents. So now I've got these two folders. And then the other way to add a document to a folder is just to drag it over, which is pretty useful. And even though these are folders, they don't quite work the exact same way a folder might work on, say, your computer, because you can put items in multiple folders. So if there's a document that belongs in two folders, I could put it in both folders. So now you can see on which folders this document is in. It's in both work and personal. So if I want to look at what's in a folder, I would just click it on the view options over here, and then now you can see I'm looking at everything that's just what's in this folder. And you can see this one's also in the work folder because I'm in the personal folder, so it doesn't say personal right here. But since this one's also in work, you can see it's in work, and we're looking at personal, so it's in personal. The other folder view is the all folders view. Just refresh real fast. And I can get to that by clicking all folders right here, or when I'm on a folder, I can click all folders right there. And then you get this kind of drop-down view where I'm actually, all the folders I've created, I can look at in here, and then I can click this arrow to see what's in them and what's not, and then I can select things. And I can also delete a folder by selecting it and then hitting delete. And that deletes the folder but does not delete the items that were in it. They still remain, so that's pretty useful for getting rid of a folder and not having to worry about things accidentally getting deleted. The one other view with folders here is the items not in folders. When I click on that, just like it sounds like, I can look at all the items that aren't in a folder. And then this is useful if you really like using the folders and keeping things organized. This is useful to just instantly see what's not in the folder and then put it in the correct place, wherever that might be. So that's how you use the folders in Google Docs.